pork and torque. A little bit of pork and torque action. Hi, ugly. Nice license plate. What's up, everybody? Here's Swag Pack Shack. That was pretty cool. I entered my bike in the show and I didn't win and got beat by a Harley, a stock Harley at that. But everybody likes looking at Harleys, so it was a cool looking bike, not gonna lie. But whatever. Just wanted to make this video and throw up some pictures of the show. My boy Justin at Atlanta Custom Wraps got a lot of awards. And of course the Best in Show award went to Swag Pack Shack. And Justin did his wrap too. Yeah, I'm on my way back now. Just had a fun time there. Just wanted to make a little video for you guys. Hope you enjoy the pictures. I didn't bring my camera, so all the pictures you see are gonna be from my phone. Hashtag photographer, phone photographer. Hashtag Samsung. Hashtag suck it Apple. This is a weird intersection. It's sketchy. Plus it's over train tracks. Woodstock scares me. Blind drive! That's not a legal way to drive. What kind of thing are we advertising here? That's a nice looking Lexus. Alright, for real, before I just start rambling, I'm gonna go. You guys have an awesome, sexy day, and I will catch you all next time. Enjoy these photos from the show. Hit that like button. Peace! Hey.